Hey guys, it's Noah, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Puma Rebound V6 Wide Men's High Top Shoes. I have been looking for a pretty long time for high top shoes that are gray and white, and I finally found them. So let's get into the unboxing. This is the box. I kind of like the red, I'm not going to lie. Like, this is a really nice red, honestly, and then at the side, the box just says, responsible looks good on you. Puma, love that. But that's the box. Okay. So I'm like really excited. Now, I already know what these shoes have looked like in person because I had to try them on to see if they would fit. But they do. So this is what the shoes look like, everybody. Now, this is very these shoes. And then the other one, let me just move this out of the way. Space. Okay. And then, yeah. So these are what the shoes look like. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. These shoes feel so comfortable, and honestly, I think that Puma did an excellent job in the quality of these shoes. So I definitely suggest you guys going to check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure that you guys like and subscribe, as well as hit that bell notification so you get a notification every time I post a brand new video. Also, please make sure that you are following all of my socials. My socials are linked in the Linktree link, which is linked in the description down below. Continue to spread positivity, and I will see you all in the next one.